Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this font changing effect on your videos using CapCut. So just add the video that you want to edit and then just write the text. So let's go to text and add text, then just write the text in here. Okay, you can use the color that you want or the style that you want. For example, I'm going to use the styles right here. Click on the check icon. You can adjust the durations to your liking. For example, I'm going to just make it the same with the video, and after that just split the text into a few parts. So I'm going to split. Okay, 10 frame like this. So the split is depends on you, but I'm going to just split like this. Okay, so after you split the text like this, now what you can do is just use a different font for every text. So for the first text, I'm going to just leave it as it is, and for the second text, I'm going to change the fonts. Okay, you can just click on the text, go to style, fonts, and select the font that you like this. Just repeat the steps until all the text has been changed. Okay, so I've already changed all of the font, and here the result will go like this. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.